back to YouTube. It's Ronz. Look, we in the kitchen, man. We in the kitchen. So, something new. I browsed on the internet, you know, just bought me a new air fryer, and they don't have no reviews about this air fryer on YouTube, which is crazy, because, let me show you guys. We have a Chefman dual air fryer. Let's see, as you can see, Chefman right here, it's a dual air fryer. And the crazy part is, it's not on YouTube, so without further ado, we gotta unbox this thing, we gotta hook it up, and we gotta cook something. What I'm gonna cook, I don't know yet, but I'm hungry, so we about to cook something. Hey, let's get right. Something quick to know about this air fryer, it does come with 8 different modes right here. You got the chicken, fries, burgers, bacon, fish, veggies, steak, and shrimp. Can you see that? Yeah. It comes with 8 different presets, right? And the cool thing about it, you can sync the baskets right here, and you can sync the finish. So that means you can finish cooking at the same time, and I mean, who doesn't want to do that? See, it's 2 4.5 quart baskets. Should hold a good amount of stuff. I'm just ready to start cooking, honestly. I'm gonna box it for you real quick, take it out the box so y'all can see how it looks. But after that, we're gonna get something right. Cause I mean, food, hey, food go crazy. There's so much food, y'all, so much food. All right, so in the box, it does come with the plates, of course. It should come with 2 plates. There's number 1, and number 2 is over here. And comes with a little Chefman book. I'm not sponsored, but sponsor me, okay? Y'all know to sponsor me. All right, so let's go ahead and take the 2 grills out. And I have my old Chefman air fryer right here, so I like the brand. It's really good, honestly. But besides that, let's move everything out the way. And right here we go. We got the air fryer. You guys, we got it started up. We got 2 timers. Yo, this is cool. This is about to be epic. We gotta cook something now. I'm not gonna show you me cooking it. I'm just gonna time lapse it, and we'll be back. Finished product. Got you. All right, you guys. So we got both of our meats in here. What we got cooking? We got some shrimp and we got some chicken breast. But like I said, it's not that loud either. Surprisingly, it's really not that loud. So, yeah, just so you guys to make sure, you know, it's really not that loud. But stay tuned. We'll be back. We'll show you how it comes out, and yeah, that'll be in the video. All right, y'all. So the first one is done, and as you can see, it looked kind of good. Yeah, I don't know if you can see the smoke and everything, but it looked pretty good. Like, actually, really good. Okay. Go ahead and slide that back in here. Okay, this one is done. Now we just gotta wait. How many more minutes for this one? Switch for me. 5 minutes. We'll be back. Alright, y'all, so here we go. Both of them are now done. We'll hit that stop button. Alright, let's go ahead and take it out. Final product. Chicken breast. It looks pretty good too. So you got the seasoning, it looks pretty crisp. Looks cooked evenly all around too. Hey y'all, this is a W. Let me put this back in here for a second. Yeah, this is a whole W. I do recommend it. Like 100%. I do recommend it. It's 120 right now at Best Buy. So if you got some funds, got spare funds, go ahead and get it. But if not, you know, hey, look. Put this on somebody's Christmas list, something. You need this in your house if you don't have one. The double air fryer is so good. Literally, it is so good. But I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. That's really all I got today. But yeah. Kitchen Gadgets, part 1. Peace.